What's going on, guys? It's Monday. It's the week of the meet. Feeling pretty good. We got a shit ton of shoes in that have came in over the past couple days. Over here, some more over here. I was actually home last week to get a couple bench sessions in on a competition pad, which was good. It was nice to be home, nice to be back at Power Build. We've officially started the water load. If you guys know, I walk around at around like 235, 236. So we have to cut to make weight to 231 for our weight class. So my coach Joey Flex sent me a bunch of audio messages on like the instructions on how to do it. So today we're drinking 2 gallons of water, and then from then on we're drinking 3 gallons of water every day. So just progressively getting more and more water and in addition sodium in our bodies. And then 16 hours out from weigh-ins we're gonna cut all of it. So we're just gonna flush out all of the water in our body, make weight, recomp. I ordered a 100 pack of Triorals, which are sodium, magnesium, and potassium, like in powdered form. So that's what people usually take to recomp after making weight. So I'm looking forward to that. We leave Wednesday morning at around 4 a.m. We're gonna drive out to Pittsburgh, which is around 2.5 hours, around like 2 hours out from State College, 2.5 hours. And then we have to get on a plane, and we're gonna fly from Pittsburgh to Charlotte because I couldn't find a direct flight, and then we're gonna fly from Charlotte to Baton Rouge, Louisiana. So it's gonna be around a 6-hour flight total. We have one more training session in to get in once we get down there to Louisiana. So I have a buddy who's gonna get me into a competition gym with competition equipment and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Then I burned it. Shit, I spend this money, cause I earned it, nigga. Smoking dope like a chill. Tag on my hip, that mean it is feeling me. It's still a key. These niggas ain't no friend of me, hell no. These niggas.
How'd that feel? That feel good?
That felt great.
What was that, 319 for a double?
I think so, yeah. Try to get good pauses on it. And,
Hell yeah.
And I don't need a garment. And I'm hotter than a fucking burn. Take her to a and I spend this money. I brought a lot of niggas in North Atlanta for that year. They didn't get no straight in, but they feel some type of way. Drive down, broad day, big as some shit. Yeah, we shoot up. I'm not playing. My little man. She wanna stay. No, you bitch, I am. And I want to be like Mike and ain't no. Yeah, what's better than that? I'm not saying no, I'm not a nice nigga. What? Nigga need a knife, take it out. I don't need a spray. I ain't need a ring.
Then I have a game. Ain't get nothing out these streets with pain. Ain't get nothing out these streets with hard time. Cause in these streets ain't never hard time. Tell CD I say what's up. Tell everybody I say what happened. Tell you I said shoot.
Let's go!
Tell them who I said stop flagging. Tell them all that tell the world that it won't be long. At my home, what's up with they
I'm a nut on her face. Can't be saving her, you might get shot in your face. Niggas drop a mistake, then they tattoo their face.
oh, real life!
I was like, dude, I fucked up. I don't give a fuck what you heard. We been killing niggas before they came over. Seeing everybody on the shit, really know I had a split. Baby, man, we go to crazy. Real trap, nigga.
line is a young kid with a stack on the shorter side who heads to that key position.
Alright, it's Tuesday. We got squat and deadlift today. I woke up a little bit heavier around 2:39 because I've just been eating a shit ton of sodium. So we're just gonna have 3 packs of oatmeal this morning, and I'm continuing to water load. So right now we're up to 3 gallons a day, and I'm halfway done my first one. So yeah, all's good. We're gonna just staying the path in terms of the water cut and everything. Gonna have some Pop-Tarts as well. Also, I forgot to say, shout out to Kevin, who is the owner of 110. He sent me both the new flavors, pineapple mango and cotton candy. I've tried both of them before. Last week, someone at my gym had them. I tried both. My favorite's pineapple mango, but like both are like really, really good. But if you guys are looking for pre-workout, it's honestly the best tasting pre-workout I've ever had, like at all. So go on over to the 110 Instagram, and I think the website is Pop Us Ups or something like that. It'll be in the link in the bio, but go ahead, check it out if you guys still need some pre.
Feeling like Steve-O, see a pussy nigga through the peephole.
Your baby daddy is rich. Bitch, I don't want us to look good. Stop trying to pressure my nigga.
Keep my second run jacket, that's I eat fish and grits. Get me pulling with my dog, they're like Michael Vick. I don't get no damn it, they throw it off, I won't fucking miss. Bitch, I'm so up, no sleeping brown. We're talking on my shit. It did you do. Out to the hand while I throw the bands. I might go on and stop playing. Take over the lane. I'm running on this school buses. Cause she got a dog and booty like you. One house later, let you in. Really hot talk, bitch. I speak for it. So when I'm safe, smell like a sword. And know what you feel like I cool, I speak smooth. They tryna fuck my move. Don't be cool, make you brown. Fuck tryna cover my move. I say move, black white firm. Cause I'm trying to cover my move. Scary, don't fuck up my enemy. I never know where to build. Lottie, body, put on body, fuck on top of the road. I got out of it. Send no voice, try to be found. Love, kill me alive. Pull up the door, from my eyes. Or you open the door, go get the vibe. Now we survive. When I fucking took it on my own. Shut up, nigga.
This is a dollar bill.
Was it the money that made me such? Told them pictures. Yeah, I catch speed racing. Suck it to your knees, bitch, I ain't got no patience.
Alright, so you guys saw squat and deadlift. I was able to hit a single at like 290 kilograms, which is around 640. I was gonna make it my last warm-up, but honestly, like, I hit that single and I was like, alright, that's it. Like, I can't do anything more. But you guys have to keep in mind when you're peaking and tapering, like, the top of your peak, like, on meet week, it's gonna be some of your hardest workouts. You're just gonna feel like absolute shit. But you have to know that, like, that the strength is going to be there meet day. So that's pretty much what I understand. Like, I understand about just the accumulation of fatigue and whatnot. So we hit a single at 639, and then we backed down to 3 more singles at 595. And then we worked up to a single at 595 on deadlift, and we called it there. What we were going to have to do is we were going to have to wake up at 3 in the morning. I realized this morning, that we were going to have to wake up at 3 in the morning and then drive 2.5 hours, 2 hours and 50 minutes to Pittsburgh, and arrive at the airport by 6, and then get on a plane by 7:45. But what we're going to do is we're going to stay with some friends tonight in Pittsburgh at their apartment, which is 20 minutes from the airport. So we're driving out in around 10-15 minutes, and we're going to get there, and then we're going to wake up at 6 in the morning. We're going to wake up at like probably around like 5:30, and then head to the airport, get there at 6, go through what we need to do, and then eventually get on the plane by like around 7:45. So we're still water loading. I still got to drink like another half gallon, a little bit more. But then aside from that, we're just gonna get moving. So we're almost packed for the most part. Joe's got to do. Oh my god, bro, you're looking kind of jacked. What the fuck? What? Yeah, dude. Oh my god, making me nervous.
I'm sorry.
Dude, it's alright. So yeah, we're gonna, after Joe packs his laundry, I'm all packed up. We traveled pretty light. I only like brought 2 bags, so 1 carry-on bag and then another personal item. So we're getting down to it, man. We're making moves. Alright, so we were here at the airport, checked in around like a half an hour ago, getting on our first connecting flight to Charlotte, and then from there we'll go to Baton Rouge around 2 hours later. Got some bacon, egg, and cheeses sitting right. Got some waters in there. Got to continue to drink water later, but until then we're gonna chill out a bit because I don't want to be having to pee every like 20 minutes on the plane. So yeah. Yes. Yeah, I popped it when we landed, but like until then, like that shit, it's absolute death.
You need a video of this?
Yeah. People want to see what we're eating for some reason.
Group 2 customers are walking aboard flight 5131 with service to Baton Rouge.
Alright, so we're about to board the plane to Baton Rouge. Got some Chick-fil-A in us. We have to get there. We're gonna get a shuttle to the hotel, unpack, and then from there, our friend Hayden Willis is picking us up. He's in 93, absolute beast. You guys will see him. But then we're gonna go bench at this gym in Louisiana. I forget what it's called, but you guys will see when we get there.
Group 3 customers are walking aboard flight.
Alright, so we touched down in Louisiana. We're here at the hotel right now, checked in. We're gonna go to Walmart, which is around like a half mile away. We're gonna walk on over there. Gonna grab some stuff, walk back. I'm gonna grab like things like oatmeal, water, Gatorade, Pedialyte, just things of that sort that we need for the meet that we got in the last video. So we're gonna go get that stuff, come back, I'll show you guys what we got, and then we're gonna go train. We're here at Code 3 Performance. It's the only calibrated plate gym, or only calibrated equipment gym in Baton Rouge. So if you guys ever come down to Louisiana, come check it out. But our kind friend Hayden Willis, absolute beast of a 93, brought us here. We have his Alico bar that we're gonna be training with in a bit. We just got a couple bench singles, pretty much that's it, and then we're gonna get out of here. Just literally our last training session. Pretty much just coming in, going through the motions, getting it done, and we're gonna get out. Alright, so you guys saw we knocked down some singles at 395. Then some singles at 375. Then we had like 2 sets of 6 touch and go that I didn't even record. So that summarizes, or that finalizes meet prep, the last workout period. So the next couple of days I'm just focusing on water intake and cutting. I'm getting my protein in. Appreciate Code 3 letting me pop out. Super sick environment here. If you guys are in Louisiana, definitely come through. 100% super sick gym. So we're gonna go back, shower up. I'll show you guys some of the groceries, stuff like that we got, and we'll catch you guys when we get there. All right, so we're back. We're showered up. I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that we got. We're gonna be in Louisiana for the next couple of days. So like we went grocery shopping today at the Walmart to just get some necessities for the meat and just living. So got some Pop-Tarts, a couple boxes of those. Got a box of Rice Krispies, Ritz crackers. Those are all things that I can snack on during the meet, but then also I'm gonna have Pop-Tarts just like not even during the meet, just like on a day-to-day basis, because it's part of my normal diet. We got brown sugar oatmeal, like a 20 pack, because I eat like 2 to 3 packs of oatmeal every morning, so I kind of want to just maintain that. Plates for said oatmeal. We got some Pedialyte as well that we're gonna drink during the meet. More Fairlife. We got like 20 things of Fairlife because it's like a staple in the diet. Like we're literally just drinking Fairlife every single day. I'm trying to think if we got anything else. Got some Gatorades as well. I don't know if I already said that or not. But that's pretty much it. We're here now. I'm gonna go put my rack heights in for the meet. I'm gonna go check in, grab my t-shirt. And then that's pretty much it. We're gonna go get something to eat. I think we might be meeting up with Ryan later. I'm not too sure. Alright, we fast forwarded to the night before the meet. It is currently Friday night at probably close to around like 9:30 at night. I cut out water 3.5 hours ago, so I haven't had anything to eat or drink for like the last couple hours. Essentially, I'm about to go take a shower and just sweat a little bit, and then probably go the fuck to sleep in sweatpants and a hoodie, and just try to sweat out and lose as much weight throughout the night as I can. Then I'm gonna wake up 4 hours early at around 8 in the morning, which is 4 hours before weigh-ins, and then check my weight, and then from then on I can sweat out the rest or spit out the rest. So my coach Joey gets in at around midnight tonight. So we'll likely talk tomorrow morning. But until then, I'm just gonna do exactly what I said, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. We just made weight. We weighed in at 104.1 kilograms. So now I just downed a Gatorade with a tri-oral in it, ate some oatmeal, and now I'm about to have another Gatorade with a tri-oral in it. So and then we start warming up. The start of the meet actually got delayed an hour. So allegedly, I have to like check on that to see if that's actually the case. But we're gonna be warming up even later, so it's more time to gain some weight back and recomp. So yeah.
Let's go, Sean. Hard up!
Easy. If Sarah pulls this, she moves from bronze to silver. All she has to do is pull this and she moves from bronze to silver. Come on, Sarah! Go, Sean, build this up, yeah! All right, baby! Come on, Sean!
Let's go, Sean, make it move!
Wheeze!
Let's go, Sean!
Do not let go!
Wheeze! Blow it up! Yeah! Let's go!
And your 2021 Collegiate National Champion of the 105 kilogram weight class from Penn State, Sean Mills.
Yes, Sean!
Yes, sir. That's a great picture.
Thank you, gentlemen. Congratulations. Let's go back to the women's division.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fourth place from the University.
Alright, so that was it. We ended up being able to take first place with a 701 squat, 407 bench, and a 716 deadlift. It came down to the last pull, for real. Like if I didn't make my last pull, I wasn't gonna win. And Paul, the guy who came in second place, he missed his third attempt because he was trying to pull for the win. But big shout out to him. Like, huge respect to him as a competitor. Like, he really gave me the biggest fight of my life that I've ever experienced, like head to head with someone. That's like the first head to head I've really ever gone with someone in a competition. So huge respect to him. I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna cut the video here because I'm gonna head back to Pennsylvania tomorrow morning and get some editing done. So this video hopefully will be up by sometime this upcoming week. We're just gonna have to see. But I appreciate everyone tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.